It's day 3 in Nagoya and it's currently 6:25. So nakabihis na ako. Kasi na-expect na dapat pala naka-winter attire pa rin sa Shirakawa Go. So wala akong dalang pang winter attire. Yun. So sinabihan lang ako ng sister ko na dapat pala naka-winter. So wala akong puffer. Ito lang dapat susuot ko, yung sleeveless na puffer. Kaso sabi niya baka hindi daw carry. Tapos nag-search din ako kay ChatGPT. Yun din sabi, baka hindi kaya. So, mag-trench coat tayo today. Ayan. So, mag-aayos lang ako ng hair. Tapos, onting makeup. Tapos, siguro na sa meeting place. Alam ko, 8:20 pa naman yung meeting, namin. Yung meeting time namin. Pero, aagahan ko na kasi baka maiwan ako. Diba? Nakakatakot naman yun. So, maghahanap na din ako ng place kung saan magbe-breakfast. Pero feeling ko, syempre, 7-Eleven na naman. Yun lang. So, mag-ayos na ako ng buhok and then, labas na. Tapos, makeup. Ayan. I think I'll spray. Lagay tayo ng hair spray. I'm using yung fresh na hairspray, sea salt spray, super volume texturizing. Bayan, nalagyan yung ako. In fairness, kahapon, hindi nakulas yung kulot ko. Sana today din. There you go. So, here's our outfit for today. Pants, trench coat, scarf, sombrero. Yan. Sana wala akong nakalimutan sa room. Okay, punta na ako para hindi ako malate. Bye! See ya! Shirakawa Go, see ya! Okay, punta na tayo sa meeting point. Well, sakto pala itong damit ko kasi sobrang lamig pa rin talaga dito sa Nagoya. So, maaga pa. Wala pa masyadong tao, wala pa masyadong sasakyan. It's currently 7:15. So, sana hindi pa tayo late. Pero sabi naman, before 8:20, dapat andun na. Malapit lang naman yung meeting place. Parang, according to Google, mga 7 minutes walk lang. Pero, syempre, kailangan maaga tayo. Okay? So, see you, Shirakawa Go!
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm back in the hotel because I forgot my cards, including my hotel card, key card. So, kukunin ko siya ngayon. Buti na lang medyo maaga tayo. Pero bilisan ko na. And now I got it. Maaga pa naman. It's still MG, para ako nag-jogging. My guard. Pinagpapawisan ko rin ako. So, dadaan muna ako 7-Eleven kasi maaga pa naman. Bibili lang ng quick snack. Quick snack? Basta yung bibili muna ako sa 7-Eleven. Hello everyone, so we're now here inside the bus going to Shirakawa Go. So, I don't know, it's already 8:30. Sabi alis kami ng 8:30 pero 8:34 na. I think we're just waiting for a couple of people. But yeah, I'm so excited. Now we're here at Gojo Hachiman. So, we're just waiting for the tour guide. Parang inaantay pa yung mga ibang kasama. So, here, this is our first stop. Ayan. So we're just going to follow our tour guide here. So cute. Yeah, we're going to the river. OMG, ang ganda naman dito. Hehehe. Ang dami kasing tao. Pero, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung paano natin. So, this is the river. Ayan. So, sabi nung tour guide namin, Botcho Hajaman is known for shocks, nakalimutan ko, pero it's known for parang ano siya, river community, something like that. Diba? Hindi nakikinig sa tour guide. Ayun. Pero, let's take some photos here. Humiwalay ako dun. Yan yung mga kasama ko sa tour. So, hiwalay muna tayo. Yan, sama-sama kami. I'm thinking na humiwalay kaso I'm scared. Baka mawala naman ako. Sasama na lang ako. Hindi pala naka-play. Guys, ito, sobrang linis ng kanal nila. As you can see here, sobra, oh. Parang sarap swimming. Ayan, sobrang ganda. Naiwan na ako ng tour. Mas okay magpaiwan kasi ayan, walang tao. Pero hindi okay kapag naiwan ako mismo ng bus. Ayan, ang dami kasing ganda ng mga spot dito. Ayan, kung makikita nyo may mga koi pa. Ayun, ang dami nilo. Picture ko lang. Ayan, may paisa-isang cherry blossom dito. Okay, picturean ko lang. Sa akin. So, sarili sikap. Nasa mga iskinita na tayo, guys. Linis pa rin ang tubig ng kanal nila. Going back to being friends. Charas. Ito, medyo maganda yung alley na to. Alley! Now, we're going back sa bus in on our way to the next stop. So this is the main street. I'll find Hidebi here. So I'm currently lined up to a restaurant here. Hello, I'm retaking the video kasi not sure kanina if audible ako kasi ang lakas ng background music tas wala akong mic. May sounds kasi dito sa restaurant. So, pumila na ako sa isang restaurant here. They are serving yung parang sushi, hida beef. So, I'm really not sure. Ang haba ng pila. So, I think there's more than 20 people ahead of me. Pero sabi ko, pipila na ako kasi kung hindi ako pipila, baka hindi na ako makakain ng hida beef. And for sure, parang napansin ko kasi dito sa Japan, kapag pinipilaan, ibig sabihin masarap talaga. And very matyaga yung mga tao na pumila. So, tiyagaan din natin. Pero mabilis lang naman. As in, moving naman yung pila. So, yun. Sana okay yung food. And I only have an hour here. So, ito pala yung menu. Here's the menu. Ayan. So, there's only few left for the Hida beef premium. So, I want to try the Hida beef sushi. And then sana may premium. So, yeah, or maybe I'll try the combination. Since minsan lang naman tayo dito. So excited. So, I'm now outside. And ito yung pila. Okay. We're moving. I'm so excited. So they are only accepting cash here. Hello, 1C, please. Yes. Thank you. So here's the beef. There you go. Itadakimasu. So, I think I should try this first. Dumikit na siya. Ba't siya dumidikit naman? Next one. Sobrang yummy. Sarap. Gusto ko pa mag-take 2. Bali, pwede din kainin to. Yung cracker. Cracker yung pinaglagyan nung sushi, beef sushi. Sobrang sarap. I'll order again. Nakili na yung pila. Okay. Order of business is itong mga skewers na to. I think walang translation, so I don't know what this is. It seems like it's a glutinous rice. This fried. So I hope it's okay. Okay, so got the goods. Sorry. So this is it. So this is sweet sauce and the other one is parang kamote something. So glutinous rice nga siya. I think it's not for me. Hindi ko siya ganun kagusto. Pero pwede na. Pero hindi ko na siya para ulitin. May mga souvenirs din dito selling mga wood products. So they have bowls and soup bowls and Yeah, the spoon and fork. And then you also have plate. Tapos yan si sir. Okay, so I'm now here in Takayama Cafe. Yung meeting time pa kasi namin is 1:45 and it's just 1:14. Tamad na akong gumala. Ganito na ba pag trentahin? Pagod na kaagad. Okay, wait lang. Kunin ko yung order ko. I ordered matcha latte. Okay, so I actually ordered matcha latte. So, this one. Well, sadly, they don't have oat milk, so I have to drink cow's milk. So, it seems like meron kasi akong lactose intolerant, pero it's not diagnosed by a doctor. However, simula nung hindi na ako umiinom ng cow's milk, parang naging okay na yung tiyan ko. Pero whenever I drink milk, yun, mga dairy products, parang namimilipit yung tiyan ko. Pero let's see, hopefully, hindi masira yung tiyan ko sa trip na to. Bakit ko ba to pinili? Anyway, cheers! It's actually sweet. Alright, so we're now here in Shirakawa-go. So, weather update, it's not that cold anymore. So, yan, naiinitan na ako sa damit ko. Okay, so there's a shuttle there. So, I'm thinking na lakarin siya, pero sobrang taas pala niya. Look. Yan, so ganyan siya kataas. Di ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Yan, pero, nandito na din naman na tayo, so go lang. Ang ganda din mag-picture-picture dito. Ang ganda ng spot ko dito. Okay, salita ako ng salita. Naka-photo mode pala. Ayan. So, ayan, may snow dito. Kapag winter, punong-puno yan ng snow tong field na to. Okay. So, may mga bahay dito. May mga picture. Alam ko, nakikita niyo yung bundok na may snow cap pa. Ayan. Okay, so paakyat to. Nakakapagod. Ay. Ayan, sobrang ganda siguro na ito pag may snow. Okay lang. Pagod na ako. OMG. Picture mo na ako. So, dito na, Shirakawa-go. Ay, grabe, sobrang taas. Actually, wala pa tayo pinakat ako, pero ang ganda na ng view dito. Hello! It's day 4 in Nagoya and this is going to be my last day here. Later this afternoon, 4 p.m., I'm going to Tokyo via the Shinkansen. And nakapack na ako ng mga gamit ko. Close ko na lang yung luggage. And right now, since mamayang hapon pa yung biyahe ko, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Pero it's currently 7:57. So magbe-breakfast muna ako sa Komeda Coffee kasi sabi nila okay yung breakfast doon. But I'm also thinking mag-Yubaton kasi hindi ko siya na-try. Sabi nung friend ko okay daw doon. Pero yeah, tignan na lang natin kasi magkakalapit naman yun kung ano ang matitripan ko pagdating doon. Tapos after nun, hindi ko na alam saan ako pupunta. Siguro maglilibot na lang ako sa mga malls. Kasi mayroong mall na malapit sa may GR station. And I'm also thinking if dadalhin ko na ba yung bagahe ko or babalik na lang, iwan ko sa lobby sa baba. And then balikan ko na lang mamaya. What you think? I don't know. Double checking stuff before I leave. Making sure na wala akong naiwan. So, that's the current situation. Diyan ko na nilagay yung mga used pajamas kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ilalagay. So, I'll make sure wala akong naiwan. Kundi ang heart ko lang. Char. Ayan. Ref. Okay. Hindi ko man lang ako nakapagtimpla ng coffee. So, ayan. I had a really comfortable stay here in Sotetsu Press in Nagoya. So, binuko siya via Klook. Yan. Sana someday magkaroon din ako ng Klook code. Manifesting. Yan. So, mag-aasa ko sa baba kung pwede ako mag-iwan ng luggage para mamaya, kukunin ko na lang dito bago ako magpunta ng Nagoya. Ay, ng Tokyo pala. Sige lang! Alright, so I forgot my mic. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear me. But I'm going to hear maybe Komeda Coffee. So I'm going to try their breakfast. Small. So, sana okay. I wanted to try your bottom, but it's closed. So,
This one's for this.
okay. What is this called?
It's called Shiranowo.
Shiranowa.
Yes.
Doesn't have English in
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Shiranowa. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. It's called Shiranowa. Okay, so there's my order. Oh, thank you. Oh, Shiranowa. Okay. Alright, thank you so much. Binalikan kami lang ni Kuya para pakita yung menu ng atong dessert. It's Shiranowa. Itadakimasu. So, I'm not sure if I was audible inside the cafe because the music is loud. However, sobrang sarap nung bread nila. Hindi siya yung nakakauni na bread. Tapos, ang sarap ng spread, ng strawberry, hindi ganun ka asim, hindi din ganun katamis. And then, I also like yung Shiranowa na pinag-try sa akin yung waiter. I asked kung ano yung bestseller niya, tapos yun yung binigay niya. Hello you guys! So I'm going to Toyota Commemorative Museum. This is the same way when I went to Aeon Mall, doon sa Noritake Garden. And yeah, medyo paubos na yung memory ng DJI ko. So I'm kinda thinking if bibili ba ako ng SSD or SD card. I'm not sure. Kasi it's always been my problem whenever I use this. Kasi parang maliit lang yung memory na nabili ng husband ko for my Osmo Pocket. So, yeah. So this is also my last day here in Nagoya. I'm going to Tokyo later. Pero now, I'm going to Toyota Commemorative Museum. So it's a go. I'm not sure why. Under sila. Pero naka-green signal ang stoplight for pedestrian. And then I'm also going to try if makakakita ako nung 24-hour pass ng Nagoya para lang mapakita ko sa inyo how to purchase it. Kasi I was trying to look for it sa Nagoya Station pero wala akong makita. So I guess sa limited lang siya, stations lang siya makikita. And super sulit kasi yun. So I wanted to share it din. Parang hindi pa ako nakakakita ng ganon sa TikTok or online, and it's not even available in Zoom, I guess. Kasi na nag-search ako, hindi ko siya makita eh. So yun, I think dito banda yun na station ko siya nakita. So sana, yeah, dito nga yun. So try kong ipakita sa inyo later kung wala masyadong pila dun sa kiosk. Hi everyone! If you're going to Nagoya, you may want to purchase this Nagoya Subway 24-hour ticket. I bought this sa isang station here in Nagoya. So, unlimited pass na siya sa lahat ng subway except for Meitetsu and Ayanomi line kasi private ata yun. Pero other than those two, pwede na siya sa lahat ng subway. Nabili ko siya for 780 yen. And I think for kids, that's 780 for adult. And then 50% ata for kids. Okay, I'll just show you guys paano siya bilhin dito sa kiosk. So you have to find a kiosk na may ganito 24-hour Nagoya Subway or ticket, and then choose your language, English, and then you have ticket and IC card. You will choose ticket. So you have there Nagoya Subway 24-hour ticket. Just click ticket, and then discount ticket. You have Nagoya Subway 24-hour ticket. Then click that. And then, you have to insert your bill here. And then, lalabas na yung ticket mo dito. So, yun lang. I hope this helps. Okay. So, nakakita na naman ako ng mga nakakariton ng mga bata. And they're so cute. Ayan o, nakakariton yung mga bagets. I think they're from the daycare center. Sobrang cute! Okay, epic fail guys. Kasi close pala siya every Monday. Oh my god. So nakita ko lang na may nakapaskil na close. Tapos, ewan ko ba't hindi ko siya nakita sa Google kanina. Pero, ngayon yung sinerch ko yung schedule sa Google. Yan na, close na siya. Ay, lesson learned.